Hey my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I am going to show you how I created this beautiful festive Indian makeup look. I really did not have time for makeup that day, so it was Dashami and I had a huge gathering at my place. All my relatives were coming over and I was the one arranging everything. So I created this look. It's just a 5 minutes look, and because I'm showing you how to do this look in this video, maybe it's just gonna stretch because at the same time I'm talking, but trust me, it's just a 5 minutes makeup look. All the products that I'm going to use today are from Maybelline. You guys also wanted me to do a one brand tutorial on Maybelline, so this is it. It turned out to be super pretty and I ended up getting a lot of compliments. You can do this look for any upcoming festival. All the links, everything will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Also subscribe if you haven't already and help me reach 200k. And now let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to use a foundation and I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation. This is in the shade 220. I'm just going to take a little bit of this foundation, just a small amount, and then using a brush, I'm going to apply it all over my face. So this is going to be a very easy and simple look. This foundation blends so easily and so smoothly. It's really blendable, and also it's got a great coverage. Just look how beautifully it blended. This foundation has also got SPF 22, which is great if you're going outdoors. It's also matte and it lasts for a long time. I absolutely love how natural the foundation looks. Next, I'm going to take the City Mini palette, and this is in the shade 5th Avenue Sunset. And I absolutely love the shades in this eyeshadow palette. With this, you can do everyday natural makeup looks, and you can also do smoky eyes, so that's amazing. So the eyeshadows, they are very pigmented. I'll also swatch another eyeshadow for you guys. So I'm going to take this brick red and apply it in the crease of my eyes. See how gorgeous the color is. It was just one dip from the palette and you can already see how pigmented the shade is. I'll pick up the same shade and apply it on my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take this bronze shade and I'm just going to pick it up and apply it all over my eyelids. This is, oh my god, look how pigmented it is. This is a satin shade and it's just so gorgeous. This palette comes with a cute little brush, the brush that I'm using right now, and it's really good. So I'm going to take this golden shade and apply it in the inner third area of my eyes. It won't make much difference, but that's what we want. We want a very subtle mix of golden to rose gold to bronze. Now taking this golden, I'm going to apply it in the inner corners of my eyes. And now taking this bronze shade, I'm going to apply it in the outer corners of my eyes, just to accentuate the outer V. So now you see it's a very subtle mix of golden to rose gold to bronze, and that's exactly what we want. Now taking the Maybelline Line Tattoo High Impact Liner. The tip of the liner is very smooth. It's completely smudge proof and transfer proof, and it's long lasting as well. I've always been a fan of this eyeliner pen. It's so easy to apply. I mean, it just took seconds for me to draw the line. I am just drawing a thick line. I'm not extending it or turning it into a wing. Next, I'm going to use my favorite mascara of recent times. I've done a video about this mascara, and this mascara, as soon as it came out, it just went viral. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. It's an amazing mascara. It does not clump your lashes. It just lengthens your lashes and volumizes it as well. It lasts a very long time. It just gives a very nice fanned out effect, and you will not even need any false lashes. Like after application, when you see your lashes, you'll be like, oh my god, that is crazy. But it just transforms your lashes. Next, I am going to apply a pink blush. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Blush. This is in the shade Proud, number 40. This is such a pretty shade and it's pigmented too, so be careful when you apply this. This is a very everyday kind of blush and it just gives a very youthful look. This is such a perfect pink blush. I've never seen such a pretty pink. Now I'm going to highlight my face with the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. This is in the shade Molten Gold. This is a very pigmented highlighter and this looks beautiful on Indian skin tones. This is actually my all-time favorite highlighter. Just look at the way it glows. I'm going to apply it on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin, and also on my brow bone area. The glow is just unreal. To be honest, I think highlighter just takes your look to another level, and this highlighter sure is my all-time favorite. I have used luxury highlighters as well, but I can say that nothing matches up to this when it comes to affordability, when it comes to quality. Now let's just complete the look with the lipstick. So I have got 3 options. These 2 are Maybelline Superstay Vinyl ink lipsticks, and this one is Maybelline Ultimate. On Doshami, I wore this lipstick, which is a red one, and I absolutely love a mix of these 2, so I'm just going to mix these 2 today. This is a very pretty matte red shade. I am just going to apply it all over my lips. I love the pigmentation of the lipstick. I mean, wow, look at the color. Do you see how pigmented this is? Now on top of this, I decided to put the Superstay Vinyl ink lipstick because I wanted some kind of gloss on top of my lips, especially in the middle of my lips, and look what a beautiful shade this is. So I'm just going to take it and apply it in the middle of my lips, like right in the center. If you just let it sit for some time, it is not going to transfer. It is smudge proof, it is transfer proof. I've done a full video about these lipsticks where I swatched every shade of these lipsticks. So if you haven't watched it yet, then go watch it. It's up on my channel. So this is my completed makeup look. I let this lipstick set for some time, and now as you can see, it is completely transfer proof. The formula just blows my mind how shiny this is, yet it is transfer proof. It's just a 5 minutes look. I just did this look with a handful of products, and it's just perfect for any festival. I did this look for Doshami. If you want, you can do it in Diwali or any other upcoming festival. So that was it, guys. I hope you loved this makeup tutorial. If you did, then do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments how you enjoyed your Navratri or Durga Puja and how you celebrated it with your friends, family. I would just love to know, so comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.